Hello everyone, who's making a bag? Hope someone is making a bag today, and this is idea for you, or maybe you're making a nice nice handle for something, or maybe a belt. This is the pattern I want to offer you today. Looks very interesting, good size, sturdy, a little bit flexible but tiny bit, it will not go wobbly, plus it could bend like this, create a nice handle if you want to make a small bag. I really like this. And it looks very easy and easy to make. Pull up one loop, pull up another loop, turn. Let's start from the beginning, shall we? And I will show you how to create this to start. Let's start with slip knot and 3 chain stitches. Chain 3, insert your hook in the second chain stitch, pull up a loop, in the third chain stitch pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pulling through all 3 stitches, turn, insert your hook under first loop, pull up a loop, insert your hook under this side loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pulling through, turn, insert your hook under first stitch. You can see this like those ones. Pull up a loop, and then you have 1, 2, 3. You're going under those 3 loops, pull up a loop, yarn over, pulling through all 3, turn, and repeat. Loop 1, loop 2, turn. Don't make it very tight, because going under these 3 loops will be tough. Let me just keep going, and I will show you the result. But you already saw this on a thumbnail. This is a variety of Romanian cord, but with Romanian cord it is rather narrow with this type. I'm sure it's maybe you will find the name like another Romanian cord, or maybe variety of Romanian cord. I don't know, to be honest. If you know, please write it down for me. What's the name of this stitch? What's the name of this cord? Turn. This pattern grows rather quickly, and I like how it looks. It looks very interesting. And on the other side, like this. Thank you for coming and watching my video. Hope you like this idea. Give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check my other videos. I've got a few nice ideas for you.